The reality behind YouTube monetization. Why many YouTubers struggle to earn a penny. In recent years, YouTube has emerged as one of the most popular platforms for content creators, offering the allure of fame and fortune. However, the truth is that while some YouTubers achieve substantial earnings, many others fail to earn even a single penny. This article explores the complex landscape of YouTube monetization, shedding light on the challenges that hinder many aspiring YouTubers from turning their passion into a lucrative career. Saturation of the YouTube space. The explosive growth of YouTube has led to an oversaturation of content in nearly every niche. Millions of creators upload videos daily, making it increasingly challenging for newcomers to stand out. As a result, gaining visibility and attracting a substantial audience becomes a significant hurdle. Competition is fierce, and even high-quality content can go unnoticed in the sea of videos. To succeed on YouTube, aspiring creators must offer unique perspectives, exceptional content, or cater to niches with less competition. The long road to monetization. One of the most common misconceptions about YouTube is that you can start making money right away. In reality, YouTube's partner program, which enables creators to monetize their content through ads, has stringent eligibility criteria. Creators must accumulate 1,000 subscribers and achieve 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. This requirement can take months, if not years, to fulfill, during which time creators often invest considerable effort into content creation without any financial return. Many give up before reaching the monetization threshold. Content quality and consistency. Creating high-quality content consistently is key to attracting and retaining viewers. Many aspiring YouTubers underestimate the effort and time required to produce compelling videos. Maintaining a regular upload schedule and ensuring each video meets a certain standard can be a daunting task. Moreover, the need for proper equipment, editing skills, and a good understanding of video production can deter those who lack the resources or knowledge to produce professional-looking content. The Ad Revenue Challenge. Even after achieving monetization eligibility, the revenue generated from ads can be disappointing. YouTube shares a portion of the ad revenue with creators, and factors such as audience demographics, niche, and video length can significantly impact earnings. Many factors are beyond a creator's control, including ad blocker usage and changes in ad policies that may reduce ad revenue. Consequently, even channels with substantial viewership may struggle to earn substantial income from ads alone. Diversifying income streams. Successful YouTubers often diversify their income streams to reduce their reliance on ad revenue. These additional sources can include merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and crowdfunding through platforms like Patreon. However, building and managing these income streams requires additional time and effort, and creators may need to invest in resources like online stores or marketing campaigns. The importance of audience engagement. Engaging with the audience is crucial for building a loyal following. Many YouTubers fail to interact with their viewers or respond to comments, missing an opportunity to create a sense of community and loyalty. Without a strong, engaged audience, creators may struggle to generate income through merchandise sales, sponsorships, or other revenue streams that rely on audience support. The Persistence Challenge. YouTube's success rarely happens overnight. The path to building a substantial following and generating meaningful income can be long and arduous. Many aspiring YouTubers lose motivation and give up before reaching their goals. Staying committed to creating content, adapting to changing algorithms, and learning from failures are all part of the journey. Those who persevere have a better chance of eventually earning money from their efforts. YouTube algorithm changes. YouTube frequently updates its algorithm, affecting how content is discovered and recommended. Creators who rely on previous algorithmic trends may find their views and earnings fluctuating as a result. Adapting to algorithm changes and staying up to date with best practices for search engine optimization and audience engagement is essential for long-term success. Niche viability. Not all niches are equally profitable on YouTube. Some niches, like gaming, technology reviews, or educational content, tend to attract more viewers and advertisers, making it easier for creators to earn money. In contrast, niches with limited audience interest or few advertisers may struggle to generate revenue. Creators must carefully consider the niche they choose and be realistic about its earning potential. The investment of time and resources. Earning money on YouTube often requires a significant investment of time, effort, and resources. Creators must not only produce content, but also handle various aspects of channel management, including marketing, analytics, and audience engagement. Furthermore, upgrading equipment, software, and potentially hiring assistants can be costly. Many aspiring YouTubers may not have the resources or willingness to make these investments. Conclusion. While YouTube offers opportunities for creators to turn their passion into a profitable career, the reality is that many struggle to earn even a single penny. The challenges of saturation, strict monetization criteria, fluctuating ad revenue, and the need for high-quality, consistent content can be daunting. To increase their chances of success, aspiring YouTubers must approach the platform with realistic expectations, a willingness to invest time and effort, and a commitment to building a loyal audience. Additionally, diversifying income streams and adapting to changing algorithms are essential strategies for creators hoping to monetize their YouTube channels successfully. Ultimately, those who persevere, adapt, and remain dedicated to their craft have the potential to overcome these challenges and achieve their goals on YouTube. Success may not come quickly or easily, but for those who are willing to put in the work, it can be a rewarding journey filled with opportunities for creativity and financial growth.